In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a non-tradable symbol in TradingView. This can be a frustrating issue, but I'll guide you step by step to resolve it. Let's dive in and get your TradingView setup running smoothly again. First, navigate to your chart on TradingView. You can quickly access your preferred trading chart by logging into your account and selecting the chart option from the main menu. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the right symbol, as this will inform all of your subsequent steps. Once your chart is up, the next thing to do is to click on the Buy button, usually located at the top of the chart interface. This is your first move toward executing a trade. Now, if you see a message pop up on your screen saying that the symbol is non-tradable, don't worry. This simply means there's a connection issue with your broker, or the symbol is not supported for trading by your current broker configuration on TradingView. So, what you need to do next is to log out of your current broker. Look for the broker box towards the bottom of your screen or in your connected broker's settings and log out securely. This clears any potential hiccups in the connection. Logging out is also a good troubleshooting step to ensure you're recalibrating the necessary settings. After logging out, you'll need to search for paper trading in TradingView's broker menu. Paper trading allows you to simulate trades without using real money and can serve as a diagnostic tool to see if the issue is with your broker connection or some other internal setting on TradingView. Once you've found paper trading, click it. This will set your TradingView to recognize the paper trading account instead. Next, you want to click on Connect. This step establishes a new connection between TradingView and the paper trading server. Watch for any on-screen prompts that confirm the connection is successful, as this will let you know you're ready to simulate trades and test the issue further. With the connection re-established, attempt to click the Buy button again. If your TradingView now processes this without showing the non-tradable error message, you've successfully troubleshooted the issue on the TradingView side and ascertained that the problem may lie with the previous broker connection setup. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix a non-tradable symbol issue. This process checks for and re-establishes necessary connections, helping ensure that your TradingView operates smoothly. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to TradingView support or your broker for more advanced help. Thanks for watching and happy trading.